What's up, everybody? Just like Friday here, recording artist, entrepreneur, father, all that good stuff. If you make music, you need DistroKid to distribute your music. Very simple, very easy. I'm going to leave the sign-in link at the bottom if you want to check it out and sign up right away. And I'm going to leave a little clip to check out your earnings when you actually log in and set up your account. So you'll see as I go through the video to how to look at your money that's coming in from different platforms such as Tidal, Pandora, Spotify, etc., and anything else, Google Music, Google Play, YouTube, ads, all that stuff. I'll show you in the video that's coming up next. So peace, just like Friday, signing out. Get the DistroKid. It's so easy, simple. So as you can see here, when you're in DistroKid, you'll click on the bank option to see what your royalties and plays and streams paid you for all your outlets that you chose. And here's a couple of them. DistroKid set you up pretty nice. There's Tidal, Pandora, Spotify got 9 cents, but they said they're upgrading. The new earnings will be, possibly if there's any new money coming in, I could see that within the next few hours. Let's see what else we got. YouTube ads, YouTube Red, Google Play, all the good stuff, all here. So earnings will be at the bottom, and then once again, you just go through all your little platforms where they deliver your music out, distribute it. So this is DistroKid on the inside bank where you see all your earnings. When you get signed up and they actually deliver them to you, as you can see, it says stores are typically on a 2 to 3 month delay. So it has been some months before I've actually got to see this stuff pop in here, but I just got DistroKid a few months back, and it's pretty cool. So just like Friday here, signing out.